Good morning, students. Yesterday we saw the multiplication of matrices, how to do the multiplication of matrices, and the condition for multiplication of matrices also. And also we saw few examples how to do the product or multiplication of the given matrices. Okay, and also we concluded in yesterday's session, also we concluded that the product or multiplication of matrices will not follow the commutative law or commutative property. Okay, so I will consider two matrices. Let us define a special case. Okay, for what it is special case means, yesterday we saw the one or two examples. In those, the commutative property does not exist for the given certain matrices. But I will consider two matrices here, and I will do the product or multiplication of those two matrices AB and BA. So let us see whether those AB and BA are of the same kind or not. Okay, let us consider, let A equals to the matrix 1 0 0 2 and the matrix B is equals to 2 0 0 4. Both are of the 2 by 2 matrices. 2 by 2 matrix and 2 by 2 matrix. Here number of columns of the matrix A is equals to number of rows of the matrix B. So AB is defined. Is it? Okay. Now AB equals to 1 0 0 2, okay, into 2 0 0 4. These are the two examples I am considered here. So what is the product of these two matrices? So what is the rule? The first row element multiplying the each element of the first column element and taking the sum. Okay, 1 into 2, 2, 0 into 0 plus 0, 1 into 0, 0 plus 0 into 4, 0 again. 0, second row first column element, 0 into 2, 0 plus 2 into 0, it is 0, 0 into 0 is 0, 2 into 4, it is 8. So what is the AB? Is 2 0 0 8. This is the product AB. So consider the second product, that is BA. Whether BA is exist or not? Yes, it is also exist, because number of columns of the matrix B is equals to number of rows of the matrix A. So it is conformable for the product of the matrices or multiplication of the matrices. Okay. What is the B? That is 2 0 0 4. And what is A? 1 0 0 2. So just make the product of these two matrices. 2 into 1, that is 2, plus 0 into 0, 0, 2 into 0, 0, plus 0 into 2 is 0. Next 0 into 1, 0, 4 into 0, plus 0, 0 into 0, 0, plus 4 into 2, that is 8. So what we get here? We obtain 2 0 0 8. Hence, therefore, product AB equals to BA is exist. Hi students. In the previous session we saw AB is not equal to BA for the given two matrices. But here I consider 1002, 2004. What kind of matrices are I considered here, students? Those are diagonal matrix. What is the, students? That those are diagonal matrices. What is diagonal matrices? A square matrix is said to be diagonal matrix. Already you know definition of the diagonal matrix. Already you come across about the diagonal matrix in the types of the matrices. Okay, I consider here A and B both are diagonal matrices. What is diagonal matrices? A square matrix is said to be diagonal matrix if if non-diagonal elements are 0. Non-diagonal elements are 0 and diagonal elements are non-zero. Okay, or any one of the element may be 0 diagonal element, but the condition is non-diagonal elements must be 0. So for the, that's why I have written a special case for the diagonal matrix. For the diagonal matrices of the same order, the product of the matrices will follow the commutative property. Okay, what is the thing here, students? Therefore, pair of diagonal matrices, pair of diagonal matrices of same order, that is the main thing, students. If I consider the matrix A as the 2 by 2 and matrix B as the 3 by 3, that is not possible. Pair of diagonal matrices of same order, okay, follows the commutative property. Commutative property in multiplication. This is the thing, students. Yesterday, last session only I said, we are going to get some special kind of matrices. Those will follow the AB equal to BA. If you consider 3 by 3 and 3 by 3, again you will get 3 by 3 AB and BA matrices. Those also AB equal to BA. This is the thing. If you consider the scalar matrix, if you consider A and B, both are of the scalar matrix, that time also AB equal to BA will be exist. What is scalar matrix? A diagonal matrix is said to be scalar matrix. The diagonal elements must be equal. Here 1 means here also 1. Here 2 means here also 2. So if you consider scalar matrix and if you do the product of the given two matrices, again that will also follow the AB equal to BA. This is the special case. It is not possible for the general or other than diagonal matrices. Okay, note it down, students. Okay, next concept, students. Zero matrix as the product of two non-zero matrices. Okay, in real number system, you know what is that? If AB equal to 0, it implies A equal to 0 or B equal to 0 or both are 0. Okay, but in the matrices, such thing will not be possible. Some different is there. Okay, what is that? See, students, I will consider a matrix A 1 0 2 0, simple, and B equals to another matrix 5 4 0 0. Okay, one second, sorry, we have to interchange this one. Okay, here I will do it. It is not possible. One second, students. 0 0 5 4 5 4. Okay, just I will do the this is the non-zero matrix. This is also non-zero matrix. Zero matrix means a square matrix is said to be zero matrix if all the entries are 0. Here 1 0 2 0. Two entries are non-zero quantities here. 0 0 5 4. This is another non-zero matrix. Next, see the product AB, that is 1 0 2 0 into the next matrix 0 0 5 4. So see the product, students. 1 into 0 0 plus 0 into 5 0, so you get the 0. 1 into 0 0 plus 0 into 4, that is again 0. Okay, 2 into 0, it is 0 plus 0 into 5, it is 0. 2 into 0 0 plus 0 into 4, it is 0, which is the non-zero which is the non-zero matrix. That's why I written zero matrix as the product of two non-zero matrices. So zero matrix need not be obtained from the given 2 zero matrix. Okay, it is from the non-zero matrices only. Okay. Next concept, students, properties of multiplication of matrices. Already you learned the properties of addition of the matrices. Okay, commutative, associative, existence of additive identity, existence of additive inverse. Okay, all those things you learned. So properties of multiplication of matrices. Here the already we proved that the commutative property does not follow in the matrix multiplication other than diagonal matrix or other than scalar matrices. Okay, so for all the matrices, okay, if those are conformable for the product, those will follow or allowed that associative law. What is the first property? Associative law or associative property. For any three matrices, A, B and C, we have AB into C is equals to A into BC. Okay, next, second one, distributive property. Distributive property or distributive law. For the same three matrices, what is that? A into bracket B plus C. So we will get product AB plus BC. Sorry, BA or AB. One second. AC then. Okay. A into bracket B plus C, AB plus AC. And another one, A plus B into C is equals to AC into BC. AC into BC. Okay. This is the thing, students. A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. So A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Okay. This is the left distributive law. This is the right distributive law. Because we are multiplying A from the left. Here we are multiplying this C from the right. Okay. And the third one, existence of multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. Okay. So in addition of the matrices, existence of additive identity, what you did, if you add the certain matrix with the given matrix, you have to get the given matrix itself. Okay, similarly if you multiply a matrix with the given matrix, the product should be, or the obtained product should be the given matrix itself. How? For any square matrix, for any a square matrix, a square matrix A, there exists a square matrix, a square unit matrix, a square unit matrix I of the same order, no? For any square matrix A, if A is the 2 by 2 matrix, then square unit matrix must be of the same order, 2 by 2 only. Okay, for any square matrix A, then there exists a unit matrix I such that A into I is equals to A, I into A is equal to A. So we call I as the multiplicative identity matrix for the given matrix A. What is the thing, students? The capital I is the unit matrix or identity, multiplicative identity matrix for the given matrix A. Okay, these are the three properties or laws obtained by the or exist for the multiplication of the matrices. Okay, certain important things I will write here, students. For any square matrix, first one, for any square matrix A, we denote A into A by A square, the product of the same matrix, A into A. Then in general, A into so on n times is A power n. Okay, and A be a square matrix or any matrix, A be a square matrix, and K be a scalar, then K into A whole to the power n is equals to K power n into A power n. This exists for the square matrix, students. A be a square matrix and K be a any scalar, then Ka whole to the power n is equals to K power n into A power n. Okay, important thing. Ka whole to the power n is equals to K power n into A power n. We can take any example, a square matrix, and take any scalar, negative or positive, and raise some powers. Okay, we will get that exact value. Very important problem, students, here. Okay, you may get for the 5 marks question here. What is that? They given the 3 matrices of the certain order. What is the matrix A of the order? This is 3 by 3. And this is matrix B is of the order 3 by 2. Next, C is the matrix of the order 2 by 4. Okay, they ask for the A into BC, AB into C, and also show that AB into C is equals to A into BC or not. Okay, first find the product AB, the LHS part of the this equation. Find the product AB. First you have to decide whether the product AB is exist or not. How are you going to define, or how are you going to find whether the AB exists or not? We have to observe. Already you know the thing. You have to observe number of columns of the matrix A should be equal to number of rows of the matrix B. So this is 3, this is 3. Yes, this is exist, and of the order 3 by 2. So matrix A, what is that? 1, 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 3, and 3 minus 1, 2. Okay, what is the matrix B? It is of the order 3 by 2. That is 1, 3, 0, 2, minus 1, and 4. So you have to obtain the product AB. What is that? 3 by 2 matrix. Okay, 1 into 1, that is 1, plus 1 into 0, 0, minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. So you get the 1 plus 1. Okay, next, first row with the second column element, 1 into 3, that is 3, 1 into 2, plus 2, minus 1 into plus 4, minus 4. The first row elements are over. Next, second row, first column, 2 into 1, this is 2, 0 into 0, that is plus 0, 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. Next, 2 into 3, 6, 0 into 2, that is plus 0, 3 into 4, plus 12. Next, the third row element, third row, first column element, 3 into 1, that is 3, minus 1 into 0, that is minus 0 or plus 0, 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Next, 3 into third row with the second column element, 3 into 3, 9, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, 2 into 4, plus 8. So what is the answer here, students? 1 plus 1, that is 2, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 minus 4, that is 1. 2 minus of 3, that is minus 1. Okay. Next, 6 plus 12, that is 18. Next, 3 minus of, okay, 3 minus 0 is 3, 3 minus 2, it is 1. Okay. 9 minus 2, 7, 7 plus 8, that is 15. Just observe the things, students, there. Okay, whether it is correct or not. Yes, it is correct. We find the AB here. Next, you have to multiply with C. Okay, so what is that? AB into C. What is the AB value? 2, 1, minus 1, 18, 1, 15. This is the AB. And what is the C they given? What is the C they given C as the 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 0, minus 2, 1. Okay, see here, students. 1, 2, 3, minus 4, next 2, 0, minus 2, and 1. This is the C. We have to find AB into C now. So what would be the order of this product? This is 3 by 2 and this is 2 by 4. So 2 by 2, these are equal. The number of columns of the AB is equals to number of rows of the C. So we'll get the 3 by 4 matrix. Okay. First row with the first column element. What is that? 2 into 1. 2. 1 into 2 plus 2. Over students. Next 2 into 2, that is 4, plus 1 into 0, that is 0. Next 2 into 3, 6. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Next 2 into minus 4, that is minus 8. And 1 into 1, that is plus 1. Next friends, minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1. 18 into 2, that is plus 36. Minus 1 into 2, minus 1 into 2, minus 2. 18 into 0, that is 0. Next, minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Okay. Next, 18 into minus 2, minus 36. Minus 1 into minus 4, that is plus 4. Okay. Next, 18 into 1, plus 18. Plus 18. Next friends, 1 into 1, that is 1 here. 15 into 2, 30, plus 30. Next, 1 into 2, that is 2, plus 15 into 0, that is 0. Next, 1 into 3, that is 3. Next, 15 into minus 2, minus 30. 1 into minus 4, that is minus 4. 15 into 1, that is plus 15. Okay. What is the thing here students? You have to obtain the 3 by 4 matrix. Okay, the product. So 3 rows are here and 4 columns. So what is the product? AB into C. 2 plus 2, that is 4. 4 plus 0, 4. 6 minus 2, 4. Minus 8 plus 1, that is minus 7. Next, minus 1 plus 36, 35 plus 35. Minus 2 plus 0, that is minus 2. Minus 3 minus 36, that is minus 39. Minus 39. Next, 4 plus 18, that is 22. Next, 1 plus 30, that is 31. 2 plus 0, that is 0. Sorry, 2. 3 minus 30, minus 27. Minus 4 plus 15, that is plus 11. This is the 3 by 4. So consider it as the equation number 1. So already what they asked, AB into C is obtained now. What is the next thing? You have to find the A into BC. So first you have to find the BC, product BC. Next you have to multiply that BC with A. Okay, next what is the thing students? You have to find A into BC. So first find the product BC. So what is the B? Matrix B, that is 1, 3, 0, 2, minus 1, 4. This is the matrix B. And what is the matrix C here students? That is 1, 2, 3, minus 4. 2, 0, minus 2, 1. So this is of the matrix order 3 by 2. This is of the matrix order 2 by 4. So these two are equal here. So obviously we will get the 3 by 4 matrix. 3 by 4 matrix. So what is the answer here students? 1 into 1, that is 1, plus 3 into 2, that is 6. 1 into 2, 2 plus 3 into 0, that is 0. 1 into 3, that is 3. 3 into minus 2, that is minus 6. 1 into minus 4, minus 4 plus 3 into 1, that is 3. 0 into 1, 0. 2 into 2, 4. 0 into 2, 0. 2 into 0, it is 0. 0 into 3, 0. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. 0 into minus 4, 0. 2 into 1, that is 2. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. 4 into 2, plus 8. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. 4 into 0, it is 0. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. 4 into minus 2, minus 8. Minus 1 into minus 4, plus 4. 4 into 1, plus 4. So, the product BC is equals to 3 by 4 matrix, that is 6 plus 1, that is 7. 2 minus 3 and minus 1. First 2 elements. And next 4, 0, minus 4 and 2. Okay. Next, what is the next answer, students? That is 7 minus 2 minus 11 and plus 8. Open here. Next thing, students, A into BC. A into BC. Obtained the BC. Now A into BC. What is the A here? It is 3 by 3 matrix. 1, 1, minus 1. 2, 0, 3. 3, minus 1, 2. And the BC is 7, 2, minus 3, minus 1. 4, 0, minus 4, 2. 7 minus 2 minus 11, 8. The product. This is 3 by 3 matrix. This is a 3 by 4 matrix. You will get the 3 by 4 matrix. What is the answer, students? This is 4, 4, 7, 7. What is the next, students? 4, 4, 7, minus 7. 4, 4. This is also. Okay, 1 second, students. 4, 4. This is also 4. And this is minus 7. You just do the calculation. I will get the direct answer. 35 minus 2 minus 39 and minus 39 and 22. Next, 31 2 minus 27 and 11. This is the equation number 2. So just observe the equation number 1 and equation number 2. What is the conclusion, students? From 1 and 2, AB into C is equals to A into BC. A is exist. This is the thing, students. We will get this kind of questions for 5 marks. Okay.